a very long time. It's a very massive product, and because of the expectation and estimates on the growth of it, the live streams and all of the events and the bandwidth and all of that, so it required like a bigger structure, probably one of the biggest applications. So no matter how you flip it, whatever it takes, weeks or a couple of months, it's going to be done. So everything seems to be on time, on track, but understand, don't get bugged if something that, I say, well, no, we got to change the theme, or you're going to change the flow here or something, and then it takes a couple more weeks or so. Don't be bugged with that. Eventually, it is a done deal, and we will not just allow or open it for like any shady product. It will be concrete. It will be the ultimate. It will be the most dominant value. So because of that, just don't think of something like, connect, and think of time like, is it going to be August 20th or 29th? That's not realistic. When you're talking about this value, just turn off the timer, turn off the clock, whatever it takes, okay? It will be done to where you will be proud of it, using it, happy, I will be proud of it, and it will make us a lot of moolah. Bill, go ahead. Good seeing you here. Appreciate the graph. Well, thank you.